Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those unique numbers. The first one is the shortest one and it requires a secret code, and the second is using the settings. Of course I will show you both options. So let's begin with the secret code. Let's open the dialer because obviously this is the place where we will enter it, and the code is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another way to check the numbers. It is using the settings, so we have to open them, and at the very top of the list we've got About Phone, so let's tap on it. Now we have to tap on All Specs, and here we have to scroll in order to find Status. And as you can see here, we've got the IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and if you'd like to check the serial number also, just tap on Model and Hardware and the serial number just pops out. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.